Hey, in this video, we are going to talk about how to remove a campaign in Google Ads. Removing a campaign in Google Ads is quite simple and easy to do. So what you have to do, it is very simple. Simply click on search bar and write campaigns. Click on campaigns. From here, you can see a square box. Click on it and then you will see an edit option. Click on edit button and then there will be an option of showing remove campaign. So you have to click on it and your campaign will be removed. So there is another method as well. Simply click on overview, scroll down a bit, click on remove, confirm it. So this is how we can remove Google ad campaigns. So that was it. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video.